How to view a listing's Vrbo cancellation policy before booking. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, add your guest, room, and then your dates and your location. You'll find all the options pop up there. Choose the one option you want to book, and after you click on the listing of the place, scroll down, and at the bottom you'll find cancellation. In this case, there is until March 28th, there is no refund. If you change or cancel your booking, you will not get a refund or credit to use for a future day. So in this way, you can go through other properties and check for the cancellation policy. And this is how to view a listing's Vrbo cancellation policy before booking. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.